Listen, if you never watch Reels, Shorts, or TikTok videos, this might not be for you. But if you do, then stop scrolling for just a minute. Because what I'm about to share could be the most important reminder of your life. Why? Because many of us, without even realizing, are giving the biggest part of our day to these short videos. The question is, are they helping us or hurting us? I'll be honest. When I'm searching for ideas or content, I also end up watching them. But somewhere along the way, it stopped being just a habit and became an addiction. One video leads to the next, then another, and before you know it, hours are gone. But here's the crazy part. Out of the hundreds of videos I watch in a day, I barely remember even one. Why? Because before my brain can process anything, the next clip is already playing. So are we actually learning? No. Are we improving our memory? No. Do these videos? Here's what's really happening. We're addicted. Take someone's phone away for just an hour and see what happens. Restlessness, irritation, even anxiety. Friends and family ask us to talk, but instead of smiling, we get annoyed. That's dependency. Our memory is weakening. We're filling our mental storage with random, useless clips. They don't help us in real life, but they take the place of things that matter, like family moments, deep conversations, meaningful lessons. Our time is slipping away. 7, 8 hours a day, gone to a screen. Time that should belong to our families, our work, our dreams. And let's not forget the physical and mental impact. Eye strain, poor posture, stress, lack of focus, believing misinformation without question, and losing the ability to concentrate on anything for more than a few seconds. It's like we're trading real life for a never-ending feed of distraction. So, what's the way out? It won't be easy. Addiction never is. But it's possible. Breathe deeply. Give your attention to the people who matter. Read books, learn skills, and do things that actually grow you. And most importantly, take control of your attention before the algorithm controls you. Because if we don't, these short videos won't just steal our time. They'll steal our focus, our relationships, our peace. And one day we'll realize we spent our whole life scrolling instead of living. If this video helps you, so stay connected with me to see this type of helpful video, please do subscribe, share, and like.